guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys can see that I am in a different room. I am in my room that I was originally filming in before I got my new backdrop and stuff. And sorry if I sound a little sick. I've been traveling a lot. As you guys can tell, I didn't upload last week just because I was in Chicago and then I went to Missouri. So I haven't been home. I was gone I left Tuesday morning at 5 a.m. and then I didn't get home until Friday at almost 10:30 p.m. and then Saturday we left at noon and then I didn't get back. And then I didn't get back until Sunday late, I think about 9 o'clock-ish. So I haven't been home a lot. The only full day I had at home last week was Monday. And so I'm finally at home back doing school stuff just because that was for spring break. And if you guys haven't watched my Chicago video, go watch that. That's one of my most favorite videos on this channel so far. I just love it. I love the music. It makes me want to go back. So if you guys haven't been to Chicago or you guys have and just want to see what I did, I'll leave it linked down below and up here. So just click that eye up there and you guys can go to that. But today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Boxycharm, my first Boxycharm box. So if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, then keep on watching. Let's go! So as I just said, I did get Boxycharm. This is my first Boxycharm. I decided to get it because I used to have Ipsy and Sephora Play, and I liked it, but I didn't like getting these itty-bitty samples, just because these itty-bitty samples wouldn't really tell me if I liked it, because I would only be able to use them once or twice, and for me to basically get a feel if I like that product or not, I have to use it for about a week straight. So I decided to go with Boxycharm. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, I'm going to explain it right now. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription and it is for $21. It's $21 a month, and every month you get a box. And the box looks like this, and you get it, a lot of times you get it in the middle to the end of the month. You get 5 products. You get 4 or 5 full-size products, and then you get 1 sample size, so it's depending if you got all 5 full sizes or if you got 1 sample, but majority of the time they give you all full products, which is super nice. And I'm just going to share with you guys what I got in this month's box. So like I stated earlier, this is what the box looks like. And then all your shipping information is on the bottom. And then it comes with this, so you just gotta take that off. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. It's going to have this padding right here. I don't know if this was on top or if this was on bottom, not for sure. But let's get into what I actually received. So in this box, so the first product I received was the South Main. These are eye gels. One of these packets, so you get 3 of them, so you're gonna use them 3 times. And what they do is they help with reduced puffiness, reduce dark circles, and they moisturize your under eyes, which is super nice because if you guys have dry patches underneath your eyes are puffy, this will help a lot. And it says basically clean your face thoroughly and then apply this product right underneath your eyes like you normally would. Leave it on for 30 minutes to help reduce the puffiness and the dark circles. And it says use constantly after opening for best result. Use for 3 days consecutively. And so that's why they gave you 3, so you can use it every single day and see if you make a difference. I don't remember how this much. I actually lost the card that told me the price for all of these, but I do not have it. All I know is this total is worth like $117, and I got all of it for $21. So that's number 1. So for the next product I got in the box is this a blush right here. It is Pretty Vulgar, I believe that's how you pronounce it, not for sure. So this is what it looks like, full-size blush. It's like a Barbie doll pink. Let me show you guys. Super pigmented. It's so smooth though. And then that's what it looks like on my hand. And then when I apply it, it's a very nice light pink color. This retails just alone for $21. It is Make Them Blush 111 Prime Victim, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Product I got in my box, and I've actually been using this product just because I wanted to test it out before giving it a full honest review. I've been trying this out, and it is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, and I've heard their brand's super good. I've never actually tried their brand until now, and you get a full-size mascara instead of one of these sample sizes. So full-size, sample size, you guys can see the difference. This is super nice. This gives my lashes like tons of volume. I totally recommend this mascara. I believe this retails for $21 or $23, so this is a good deal as well. I lost the box to this one, but you got 3 brushes in the box, and you can tell I've already used this, so it's a little bit dirty. But right here it says step 1, step 2, and step 3. So it goes step 1, step 2, and then step 3. And they have little things on them like step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and then step 3, go girl go. And then this is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, which I've never heard of until now. I've actually used these brushes just because I wanted to test them out like I mentioned earlier. And they are super soft. They blend everything evenly, and I feel like they pick up the pigment well. Same with the shimmers and stuff, and they pack on really well. So these are really good brushes. And then for the last product in this, which I'm very surprised they gave us these just because of how much this costs. So this product right here, it retailed for $38. It is the Boxycharm Pure, and this is what it looks like. It's super gorgeous. So you get like all the neutral colors, and then you get like pink colors. Same with this olive green kind of gold color, and then you get this really pretty highlighter color, and then you get a black, shimmery black, a bright pink maroon, and then a bright blue, and then a brown color. So you get all these shades. You get 12 different shades like I mentioned, and yes, they are smaller shades like you guys can tell. Like if you look at my thumb, it's about the size of my thumb, but that's still really good size for this. And it comes with a mirror, like I said, and that retailed for $38, so it was a hell of a deal. And I'm going to actually swatch these for you guys, and then I'm going to name every single shade off. And they're super soft. So for the first shade right here, it is Perfect. And it's super light, you can't really tell, but this is super nice for setting your eyeshadow. And then you have right here called Naked, right there, very light peachy color. Next you have Bella, which is a light peachy pink color again. Then we have Squad right here, and Squad is more of a shimmery pink color. And then we have right here Charmer, which I was talking about, how pretty of this color is. It does have a lot of fallout, but it's super pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry for my horrible lighting, just because I told you guys I'm not in my normal lighting. And then this is Alliance. And this is the color that I was telling you guys about, which is like the gold kind of greeny color. Super pretty, pigmented. Like I said, all of these are pigmented. And so now this one's Bay. Pretty as well. This one is ATL, which I don't know how to pronounce if it's out. Super pretty and pigmented as well. You guys can tell these are super pigmented. And I'm going to do Maya, which is right here. Mia. Not for sure. It's a really pretty blue color, if you guys can tell. Let me swatch it a little bit better. Just like that. And then we have BFF, which is that bright pink purple color. Super pretty as well. And then we have that Boxy Black, which is that black with shimmer. I don't know if you guys can tell the shimmer. Yep, you can. You can see that shimmer. And you can still see it on my arm as well. It's a very pigmented black, which is good because we always like those dark blacks. And then we have Duet, which is the dark brown color. So if you don't want black, but you still want a dark color, you have that. So you guys can tell. So those are all the shades, 12 different shades. I love them all. So for my first box, I am really loving how this whole entire box came. It's like I said, this is my first box, and so I was very skeptical because I didn't think this was going to be worth it, because for Ipsy and Sephora Play, I didn't think it was worth it just because I got products. So anyways, I got products that I hated in those boxes, and so I just decided not to continue my subscription, and I did cancel it, one, because I was going to college and I didn't want to pay for it anymore. And so I'm going to keep this right now, Boxycharm. I'm just going to see how the next couple of months go. I'm probably going to wait until June. So I'm going to give myself 3 months of this. And if I like it, I'm going to keep going. If not, I'm just going to stop. But yeah, this is super nice. It lets you try out full-size products. And if you don't like it, no big deal, because you do have 5 other products. And they don't send just one brush. They do send multiple brushes, full-size eyeshadow palettes, instead of just one individual palette. So this is really nice. I love this box. If you guys want to start this box, I did leave a link down below. Please use that so I can get some points from you guys, just so I can review even more makeup for you guys, if you guys like that. But don't feel obligated that you guys have to get Boxycharm just because I like it. And remember, I'm going to do 2 more videos of me reviewing these. And if you guys like what I've been getting in my Boxycharm box, then you guys can get it. If not, no big deal. I'm not forcing you guys to get anything, but this is the last time I'm going to mention this. If you guys haven't watched my Chicago video, I highly recommend you guys go watch that. Even if you guys weren't a big fan of this video, my Chicago video is all about traveling and what I did. And if you guys like to see vlogs about people traveling and all that, then click that above, and I will leave it down in the description box. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for supporting me on my YouTube journey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. And remember, go looking down in the description box just so you guys can see my Chicago video link. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.